Hey guys, so it's finally time to work on the RX7. I have it all on all 4 jacks, and guess what we're doing today? Yup, PCs are going in. Got my 2 new wheels right there for the fronts. And so first of all, obviously I'll do the rears and take these 4 lug nuts off. And I need to unscrew this part. 2 screws here, 1 screw there and 1 here on this side right there. Unscrew that. This top piece will come off, and then I'll show you guys what's next. So I got the speaker off. It's 3 screws, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, somewhere, this one. And then there's 2 bolts inside, 1 there, 1 there. And then 1 bolt right down here. This one, you guys probably can't see it. Yes, and the rear should just come out that way. Okay, so one strut is out. Again, it was 1 bolt here, 1 bolt there, 1 bolt right down there. You see that? That's where 1 bolt was, and then it just slides out. Easy as that. And then here's the old one. So yeah, there's 1 bolt right there, and 2 bolts up top. And these are the new ones. Joshi here. Josh adjusted them for me. So we got them, like, they're all eyeballed, and I'm not gonna tighten them yet. I'll lower the car first and see how it sits, and I'll go from there. But yes, I will update you guys later. I have the BC up top. We just caught it with 2 nuts. Just slide it down there, but holy shit, that's gonna be so low. Like, oh, you guys can't see it. Wait, I'll flash it. Thank you, Josh. Look. So this is where the stock one's at. This is where the BC is. That's gonna be a lot lower. But here, Josh, take the camera. Thank you. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna jack up the caliper so I can put that inside. I probably should have put that inside first. Okay, I think I need to put it on from the bottom first.
From the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Could you loosen the tops a bit?
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay, that's not too bad.
Wow, it's pretty good.
Oh boy. Oh
Here.
boy. Oh my god, Josh, that's in the air right now. Uh-oh.
Higher?
No, I think that might be good when you lower it.
What are you, 50s?
Yes. Okay, so the backs are in. Both sides. Josh set them to equal height, and I think they might be too low because they're pretty low in the air. Like, look at that. That's where the hub is right now, and it's in the air. So we'll see when the car is dropped. I might need to raise it a bit more. But yes, now we're gonna start with the fronts. The fronts will take some more time because I have to do the brakes also while the wheels are off. So yes. Okay, so after about 10-ish hours, well, you guys can't see, but after 10-ish hours,
he's lying.
I got this out. Finally. It's been a long time. And I was trying to do my brakes because my brakes are just gone, and that bitch is not fucking budging. So I think I'll do the brakes tomorrow. I'll just get the BCs in tonight, get the car on the ground, and then when the car is ready to drive, then I'll do the brakes, I guess.
Good, good. Your car has to come out of the garage soon.
Yes.
More AW11 content coming when my throttle body is done.
Yes, but look, holy shit, look how fucking low that is. You guys can't see. Whatever. Goodbye.
Wait. You don't know this because I didn't tell him about this.
Here, take the camera.
Surging on my car was happening because of this lovely little thing. The camera's not going to focus. Okay, there we go. Yes, this tiny little thing, which is the Focus, focus, focus. Come on.
You got
Okay, so the throttle positioning sensor on my... You guys aren't going to be able to see that. This is what I'm dealing with right now for the AW11. This is why the AW11 is down. This is the throttle body, which is supposed to be like shiny bronze in there and looks like shit. Like literal shit. So I've got to clean that up. Some cheap Canadian Tire throttle body cleaner, some wire brushes and a toothbrush, and this is the culprit of my surging and high idle. So I'm trying to fix this. For anyone out there with an AW11, which I doubt any of you have, these bolts right here, you're gonna want to replace because they're screws and they're really hard to get to while the thing's on the car, which is my main reason for taking that off. But whatever, I mean, I guess it's getting clean. So I replaced them with these Allen bolts. They're 4mm by 12. We have some new tail lights that will go in the car, which I can't remember if I showed you guys, and yeah, the AW11 is sitting there, all wrapped up. The RX7 looks like this, which I'm sure that they've seen. But yes, hopefully once this throttle positioning sensor is correctly adjusted, so you're supposed to adjust these until you see resistance, which I might make a video on. It's pretty easy, but a bit of a hassle to record and do at the same time, but I'll make a video because there are no AW11 videos on YouTube. But yeah, once I adjust that, these are supposed to be set very specifically in a certain order according to the clock spring, like it should sit about like there-ish. You have to adjust the degrees on these tabs right here. Whoever adjusted this last just had it set up full crank, and so every time I was getting on the gas, the car thought I was trying to get it to idle, and that is what was causing my surge issue because it kept cutting fuel. So once I fix this TPS, clean that, I should have a lower idle and no more surging. So AW11 will start driving fine. Yes, that's the AW11 update. Anything else for the RX-7?
No, we'll update you once the car's low now.
We'll update you once the car is low now. Goodbye. Bukwas karo.
Yes, so my coilovers are in, but in the process we have lost one ratchet that has now become a hammer. We have another ratchet that's stuck and is no longer a ratchet, and we have lost an adapter, which was a very useful adapter, and I have snapped off my caliper nut. It's somewhere there, but yes, my caliper bracket is no longer working and my caliper won't come off, so I'll have to probably do something about that. And I need new calipers now because I was hammering the shit out of that. Yes, lost many things, but the car will be low now.
Stance boy.
No, I'm getting the two brakes.
Okay, so there are the rears. Beautiful. There's some shit on it from the install. Bro, did you So the car is, oh, this side it's really dark. Car's on coils. The rest of the car will be seen properly on the other side. See if I can shine light. Last jack's time to come out. One more Jackson and okay, daylight, and the car is officially, yes, take it out. The car is officially lowered. Well, this is on the other side. Ooh, looks good. Looks very good. Ah, mashallah. Front's it good. You need some camber though, because you're tucking a lot in the front.
Fitment's good.
Fitment's perfect.
Perfect. I don't need to.
Fitment is absolutely perfect. You don't need to raise it. You don't need to drop it. This fitment is A1. You've got enough space in here. You've got about a 2-finger gap. Looks really good.
Yeah.
Can't really tell on camera properly, so you're gonna have to record it again in the morning.
Yeah.
But
Bro.
Yeah. looks sick. You have a decent bit of camber in the rear.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Man, look at, I wanted exactly this. यहाँ से आगे देख.
Okay, so your alignment is super off. That's perfect.
I might not knocking to.
No, you shouldn't lower it more than that. This is perfect.
No, not lower. Roll. Might not need to.
Yeah, you will.
But
Depending
stiff
on how stiff you're gonna keep it.
Yeah.
You don't want to keep the rear too stiff.
Let's see.
Yeah, that's fine.
Fitment check. Lashman. Which boy?
Yes, so you really don't need to stiffen it more. It's perfect. Front looks really good. You could use some camber in the front. It'll help with the tuck. Thoughts?
I don't know. See, the guard is not too slow. There's 2x4s in the front, but it's not too low,
No, it's perfect.
right?
It's perfect.
That's
It's a
not
perfect
stance.
amount.
Fuck stance.